Today's tutorial, how to fix image colors for reading in C# OCR. How's it going, everybody? And welcome to this tutorial on using IronOCR to fix image colors. Today, we'll learn how to enhance and fix image colors using IronOCR in C#. This is crucial for improving the accuracy of OCR. I've already installed IronOCR, so let's dive into the code. First, ensure that you have IronOCR set up with your license key as shown in the code snippet. This is essential to use the IronOCR's features effectively. We'll begin by loading an image file, sample.jpg, using OCR image input. Our first step is to apply a Binarize effect using IronOCR's Binarize method, which converts the image to a binary format, making the text more distinct against the background. We then export this modified image using the saved as images method. Next, we load the same image and apply a grayscale effect. This converts the image to shades of gray, which can enhance text clarity for OCR. And again, we export the modified image to save our changes. In our third example, we apply an invert effect to the image. This flips the colors, turning light areas dark and vice versa. And this can be particularly useful for images where the text color is too similar to the background. And then we save the modified image as well. Moving on, we demonstrate how to replace specific colors in the image. We load the image and replace a color, in this case, hex DB645C, with a new color, dark cyan. This helps in highlighting or changing specific text or background colors to improve readability. We export this modified image as well. Lastly, we focus on text color selection. We load the image and specify a text color to focus on. Again, the same hex code. And this tells the OCR image to concentrate on this color when reading the text. We perform OCR on this modified image and print the result to console. So here you can see the input image sample.jpg on which we will perform all the color corrections. So let's go ahead and run the project and wait for the output. All right, first we'll see the output on the console from the text color selection and OCR process. This will display the text extracted from the specified color focus area, demonstrating the effectiveness of our color correction techniques. We'll review the generated images. We'll compare the original image with the Binarize grayscale, inverted, and color replace versions. And these visual changes highlight how each filter improves the image's clarity and prepares it for better OCR performance. All right, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronOCR, go ahead and sign up for the trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.